In this video, I'm about to show you how to add Contact Us on the Shopify store. First, open Google Chrome and search for Shopify to access the official Shopify website. Now click on the first link that appears in the search results. Once on the Shopify homepage, click on Login and enter your credential to sign in to your account. After logging in, go to the Online Store option from the left-hand menu. This is where you can customize the layout and content of your store. Next, click on Customize to start editing your store's design and navigation. On the right side of the customization dashboard, find and click on Main Menu. This is where you manage the main navigation links of your store. Now click on Add Menu Items. Now click on Add Menu Item to create a new menu link. In the name field, type in Contact Us to label this link. Next, you need to add a link for this menu item. You can either paste a link if you have a contact from page URL or select homepage or any other relevant page where customer can reach out. After setting up the link, click on Save Menu to finalize the changes. Now refresh your store page and you will see the Contact Us option added to your main menu. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.